In this video, I'll guide you through various dimension properties and how to effectively use them. Let's dive right in! Let's start with the dimension multi-selection. Dimension properties are displayed by clicking on a dimension in the drawing. By holding the Control key and selecting multiple dimensions, you'll exclusively see layout-specific properties. Another easy way to select multiple dimensions is by using the Select Dimension Objects button under the Project tab. Simply activate this feature and select the window containing the desired dimensions. You can add or deselect individual dimensions by holding the Control key and clicking on them with the left mouse button. Now let's talk about dimension IDs and alignment. The alignment of dimensions is determined by their unique IDs. You can modify each dimension ID individually. For example, if you want a dimension to align with another, simply input the value from the target dimension into the first one. If a dimension was manually moved, click Arrange Automatically in the Dimensions Settings group to restore the interrupted query for the Dimensions ID. Moving on to the dimension chain description. The dimension chain description is visible in the print mode, but can be activated. One way is via the dimension caption button, which activates it in the entire project, in every view frame on every sheet. To activate them only in one view frame, you can use the dimension properties. The same function is available for a selected sheet. Be careful! Changing the selected global dimension chain description impacts all views and projects, both new and old. You have the possibility to align dimension captions via the properties related to the dimension, view frame, or sheet. Thanks for watching!